Hello, everybody. Today is Monday, March the 15th, 2021, and here's another weather video. So, today we are going to be talking more about the severe weather that is going to be happening on Wednesday and Thursday. We do have some severe weather chances for tomorrow, Tuesday, March the 16th. But here is the GFS model for today. We do have some snow in the Midwest for Iowa, Minnesota, Wisconsin, and northern Illinois. So we do have some snow in that area. We do have a couple of thunderstorms in Alabama and Mississippi. So that we'll see what happens to those. They will be moving into Georgia and South Carolina eventually. And we're still kind of, if this is tomorrow morning, at 6 o'clock, we may have some freezing rain into Virginia and parts of West Virginia. So that's very interesting. We'll see what will happen, but that's very, very interesting. Tuesday afternoon, tomorrow afternoon, might have some heavy rain, some thunderstorms up in northern Georgia, northwest South Carolina, and western North Carolina. We'll see. And then they will eventually move into our area. I think it will be just rain. And then we have another cutoff low coming right back. And this is the one that's going to bring all that severe weather down into Alabama, Arkansas, Mississippi, and Western Tennessee. So just stay tuned. We got 2 more days until this happens. But this will be probably our first major severe weather event of the season. Bring some snow to the Texas Panhandle, Oklahoma. But this is going to be very dangerous. I mean, look at this. This is Thursday at 6 o'clock. We're talking about heavy, heavy thunderstorms for eastern Tennessee, northern Alabama, northeastern Mississippi. So that's very, very dangerous. And that will eventually move into our area here in the Carolinas and Georgia. We might have a line of some severe thunderstorms that can cause, like a squall line, that can cause some damaging winds and maybe a tornado risk. But I think we're probably going to have a slight risk or a moderate risk of some severe weather. Probably it's going to be slight risk. That means we might have some scattered supercells here, or we might have just a line of some thunderstorms that can produce probably some very strong winds, heavy rain, lightning, thunder. We know what thunderstorms are. And then to Friday, we might have enough cold air for the Northeast to get a little bit of snow up there in New England. But after that, it's pretty calm after that. Maybe some showers down in Florida. This is on Sunday morning. But after this severe weather season, this severe weather event moves through our area, the temperatures are going to be very, 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 very chilly, maybe 60s, maybe the 50s. So it's chilly weather. It's going to be quiet. We're probably not going to have a lot of rain after that, because if you just look, our next rain chance is next Wednesday. So yeah, and then we're getting way out into the models. But yeah, that's interesting. After this severe weather event, we're going to be pretty much quiet. Speaking of the severe weather, this is a picture of Wednesday's severe weather outlook. And you can see that we have a marginal risk for an enhanced risk for Alabama, Mississippi, Arkansas, and southwestern Tennessee. So Birmingham, Alabama, Montgomery, Alabama, Jackson, Mississippi, Little Rock, Memphis is going to be in that enhanced risk. We have a slight risk for New Orleans, Atlanta, Shreveport, Springfield, Missouri. We have a slight risk of seeing some severe weather. And then we have a marginal risk for St. Louis, Kansas City, Tulsa, maybe Houston, Nashville, in that area. We have a marginal risk. So this is going to be probably our first major severe weather event of the season. And then we have a typical general thunderstorm activity for the rest of the Southeast all the way up as far north as Des Moines, Iowa, back west as far as San Antonio, Texas. So this is going to be a very, very important, very, very severe weather event. And you got to stay tuned for the rest of this week. But anyway, that's all I have to say. We're going to continue to look at the severe weather because this is probably going to be our first major severe weather event of the season. This is going to be very, very bad potentially. We're going to have a lot of supercells in Mississippi, Alabama, in that area. They're going to get hit really hard, and then it's going to move into the Carolinas and Georgia on Thursday. So all that bad weather is moving east to our area on Thursday. So thank you for watching this video, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a good day.